this is the entrance to 1502 Covered Bridge. Just kind of want to show you. These are like half acres to an acre on these lots. Okay, some of them are larger, some of them are smaller, but you know, the neighborhood is really nice, and the you know, some really nice houses here. You know, as you go in, I mean, it's not, you know, it's not a like small, you know, small houses, but I wanted to show you as you're driving in, you know, what it actually looks like. Now the house on 1502 Covered Bridge is about, I think, 3,430 square feet. It has a 2-car garage, but there's a space right next to it where you could add another 2-car garage onto it. So, you know, the current owners had a permit to build an in-law down at the bottom of the hill behind the house. But, you know, I'm trying to find out if they will allow, if they ask the city if they could build, you know, a garage that's attached to the house, and that would be a solution there. I mean, that would probably cost you, you know, $30,000-$40,000 to do. And, you know, adding a screen enclosure is probably going to be about $20,000. I mean, if you can get this house for $600,000, you know, then you're into it for $650,000. You got everything that you want. But I don't know if you'd like the house. So anyway, talk to you later.